Welcome to Hanson Howard Gallery. I'm Judy Howard. This is May of 2009, and we are featuring several of our artists in a show called It's for the Birds. We decided to welcome spring and just have a nice positive celebration of the world at this point. Bobby Jansen is the first artist you're looking at. She often uses birds in her paintings, and so it was just a natural for her to participate in the show. She also did some of these more experimental, smaller pieces titled Science, and this one is Wall Jewelry. Next is Pamela Crow. This painting is called Early Bird Brain. Pam has a great sense of humor and a lot of depth too as well, so it's always interesting what she comes up with. This last one is Redhead with Blackbirds. And this is Margaret Garrington. Margaret is presenting bird habitats. She's done mostly landscapes in the past few years, so it seemed natural for her to present us with more beautiful landscapes. Candace Miller. This is ceramic sculpture. And a watercolor painting by Robert DeVoe. Ceramic birds by John and Robin Gamalius. There are stories on the birds if you read around from front to back. They're mostly little fables, very interesting characterization. This is Vincent Leandro. Vincent is a photographer, new to us. This is his first show. And these are close-ups of bird feathers, I believe, mostly. Really beautiful photographs. Randall Tipton, who's best known for his landscapes, presents us with a painting of a crow. And Denise Kester, who uses birds frequently in her paintings, has two new pieces for us here. This is Aggie Zed. She's from the East Coast and sends us new work regularly, mostly small pieces. This one's called Booby. This is Greta Ashworth, and the name of this is The Odds. Margie Mee has done a sculpture called Charles in honor of Charles Darwin. This is a creature that is evolving. It's an evolutionary piece. And this is Julia Janeway, who's done bird drawings and paintings on plates, these ceramic plates. It's really a very fun show. There are other pieces throughout the gallery that have birds.